Hello all, this is Pretty Yepuda, your European Nailbayo distributor. Welcome to this YouTube tutorial, where we'll create the silver love with Jinju powder. Apply the DOI white gel and cure for 60 seconds. Then apply the DOI top gel evenly and cure for 60 seconds. Now we will rub the Jinju powder onto the nail to create the stunning look. Use the DOI base gel to seal the powder and to enhance the binding with the top coat. Then cure for 60 seconds. Remove the tacky layer with cleanser and a lint-free wipe. With a fine brush, apply structure gel to create a nice 3D effect and then cure for 60 seconds. Gently rub the Yepu Chrome silver powder on the 3D structure. Seal it and shine it. Finish with a top gel layer and cure for 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.